Hello, blend enthusiasts. Today we're going to continue with modeling and constructing Kaleidoscope in Blender. And today's tutorial is about modeling those little beads that you find inside kaleidoscopes, starting with this cylindrical shape bead. Shift A, mesh, and this time I'm going to choose a cylinder. I can reduce number of sides. Let's use 4. As far as its height, 1 meter is fine. Let's put it on 0 Z. All right, and so once you have your cylinder, which only have 4 sides, and now it became a box, you go to edit mode and you start modifying it. So we want to inset the top. Let's go and select top and bottom. Press I and insert those faces. Now we want to bridge those faces. We're going to go to edge and press bridge edge loops, and then makes a hole inside boxy cylinder. Now in object mode, I'm going to press Control 2, and that applies a subdivision surface modifier to my geometry. And so I'm going to leave it at 2. I'm going to go back to object mode, and I'm going to give it a little bit more geometry. So X-ray, select this across, right click, and choose subdivide. Let's do 2 subdivisions. And you can see that as I added subdivisions, it changed the shape and it make it look a little bit more like a cylinder. I'm going to select edge loops with Alt Shift, and then I'm going to bevel those edges. And I think Control B is a shortcut for that. Right, here we go. So, and then I'm going to add a third edge loop, and then I can select this edge loop and I can scale it. And I'm going to exclude Z, so just some X and Y. And I'm going to scale that inwards like that. Awesome. And select scale, Shift S, Shift Z. There we go. All right, so that's looking like a pretty good bead to me. I will, in the object mode, right click on it, shade that smooth. Yeah, so that's, I think, exactly what I was looking for, exactly what I need. I could crank that up a little bit higher. It will probably look a little bit better in the render. But yeah, that concludes building the cylindrical piece. The next one will be that flower piece.